Hey guys, check out this really cool magic marbling art set that Titoclar sent us. My kids love this. It's a little bit different than the normal like painting, crafts that we normally do. It's something they've never done before, which made it really, really cool. So what you're gonna do first is you have to make your solution. The solution says it takes about 6 hours that you have to let it set once you make it. So you wanna make sure you do it overnight, or you have at least 6 hours before you're gonna do your project. Or what we found is if you have an immersion blender, if you kind of blend it up for a good minute, it's gonna get nice and thick for you and it cuts down that time a lot. Once you're done with that, you're gonna pour it into a tray. The tray is nice and sturdy. It's a really hard plastic, so you know it's gonna last multiple times. So you can do this project over and over again. And then it comes with a variety of different colors of paint, which I love that it has like the neon colors. We did it with Easter eggs, which was really fun. And we used the neon colors because it was more spring and it made it look beautiful. You're gonna go ahead and drop them into the solution. And you wanna do it nice and slow, like one drop at a time, because then you can put drops on top of each other. You're gonna layer things up. It's gonna spread really cool on the solution. And then it comes with a bunch of different tools. You have this one that's like a cone, which makes a really cool shape. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of just like spread it along, creating a really cool design. Makes like a tie-dye effect. It also comes with two little thinner ones to create a more thin, more precise line. Has another one a little bit thicker. It has a paintbrush if you need it. It also has two different pipettes that you can use if you need to just like drop a water on it. There's so many tools. These are just to make like really cool designs, different textures to whatever you're creating. And what's really nice too, it does come with a nice stack of paper. So if you are using the paper, once you drop the paint in and you do whatever design you want, you are just gonna gently set the paper in the tray, leave it in there for about 5 seconds, and you're gonna go ahead and pull it up, and it makes the coolest design. I think that was the funnest part, is counting to 5 and then lifting it up, and it'd be a nice surprise for your kids. And there's so many different colors, and the bottles of paint are pretty decent size. So you know you're gonna be able to use these over and over again, do so many different crafts for them. This is great for a party too, if you have multiple kids over, because the tray is big enough that all the kids can kind of take a turn, you know, smearing it around, making their own creation. So if you're looking for a really fun art project to do with your kids, this cool marbling set is a great option. Thanks for watching.